Watch this.
When people hear that I lift weights, they imagine that it's something very dramatic. But it's not. It's this, and this, and this. The gym just helps me do it better. But this is what it's actually for. It's not training for the gym. I'm training so life stays easy.
After 50, the body naturally loses muscle and stability. Strength training helps older adults stay active, reduce fall risk, and maintain independence. Follow us for daily senior exercise tips, strength routines, and healthy aging content.